Hello guys, good morning. So this is Doc Noctin once again. So I will gonna show you now how to install the rear main seal of Mx13 PACCAR engine. So you're gonna install this plate with this 4 Allen bolt using Allen 14 mm. Then after that, you're gonna install this one. So we're gonna install this one here. Like that. Then lock it. Put this put nut on this one. So this yeah. So after pre-drilling, you need to install this self screw. So after putting this self-tapping screw, so you need to loosen this one before I tighten this one so that this one will not move. So now we're gonna remove this one first before you're gonna tighten this one. So when you tighten these 4 bolts, then that's the time that you're gonna push this one, and this seal will be coming out. So I'm gonna show you now after this removing this docking nut. So I'm gonna tighten this one. So when you tighten this 4 bolts, then this one you're gonna push this one to the plate that holds the crankshaft. Then this plate gonna comes out. So basically, this 6 self-tapping screw. This is holding your main sail. So when I tighten this one, so you're gonna tighten this one, so it's start moving. It means your sail is gonna come out. It's coming out now. Here we go. So the seals comes out already. See? The seals comes out. So like this. See, basically it screws in your seals. So I'm gonna remove this one and clean. I'm gonna remove this one, and I will clean the surface. So it's really clean. So then you need to clean this one so that the dirt will not coming inside your trunk, inside your engine. So you remove all the the dirt from your drill bits. You're gonna remove this one. Then I'm gonna pull out that one. Then I'm gonna remove this one. Then this one also used for pressing your new seal. Okay, so I'm gonna show you later. So now I will show you how to install the seal. So I already put the new seal. So I will put these washers and tight this one, so that this one we're gonna push this one to the pushing this one to the this plate gonna push your seal sits on the bill housing. So I'm gonna show you.
Now I'm gonna take this one.
So your seal is already in. So this wrench is 24 millimeter. So when this one sits already, say don't worry when this one tight, so it means your seals is already sits on the groove. So it's tight. So I'm gonna loosen this one out. So then it's done. It's done now. See? It's all done. So then we're gonna remove this one, and it's all done. It's done. Yeah, so that we have bases, right? This is first time.